If your Aeromexico flight was delayed, canceled, or if you missed a connecting flight, don't worry. You could be eligible for compensation. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily claim compensation using Compensair. This service is highly trusted by travelers, as it takes care of everything, so you don't need to deal directly with Aeromexico. To start, visit Compensair. While you could search for it online, using the secure link in the description ensures safety from phishing sites. Once on the site, start by entering your Aeromexico flight information, including departure and arrival airports, flight number, and travel date. These details can be found in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. Next, provide your personal details, such as your name and email address. Rest assured, Compensair takes data security seriously throughout the process. Once all the information is entered, review for accuracy and click Submit. From there, Compensair manages the entire claims process with Aeromexico to secure your compensation. All you need to do is wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll receive a notification via email, and your compensation will be transferred directly to your preferred payment method. It's that easy. Using Compensair to claim compensation for delayed, canceled, or missed Aeromexico flights is a fast and hassle-free experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.